Highest qualification is a grade 10. For this month is 50,974. Guys, welcome to the village. My name is Boni. I create content around careers, education with a dose of reality check. Today, guys, I want us to look at salaries of administrators. Some of them, they have matric only, some even grade 10, and some of them have degrees. Part 2 is tagged as, you're gonna see it in the pinned comment or in the description box. So let's see these salaries quickly. This one has a degree, and let's check what she's saying. This is a payslip of an administrator. Qualification: business admin degree. Advice: what a useless degree. And if you sell ngisho sitha sam i-admin idinga abantu abano-matric kodwa akusenani. Okay, this caught me by surprise. Basically, if you didn't understand what I was saying, she's just saying that this degree is useless. She does not wish it's on her worst enemy. This job really needs someone with matric, basically. That's what she's saying, okay? But nonetheless, she is happy with her salary, okay? Cash component, 30,857. Reimbursement for travel, 2,412. Cell phone allowance is 700 rands. Total earnings 33,969. So this is someone with a degree in business administration. Now this one has about grade 12. Well, not grade 12, grade 8. They've been working for 12 years. Highest qualification is a grade 10. I'm a senior admin official, data integrity. Okay. Okay. Basic pay 33,133. Housing allowance 1.7. Then there's overtime 9,000 rands. Sunday time 2,000. Medical allowance 1.5. Night shift allowance 1.2. And then yeah, so gross earnings for this month is 50,974. But their basic pay is 33,100 rands. They have 12 years of experience and they are a senior administrator. You know what? This is good. This is really good, good money for someone who doesn't have any qualifications. Guys, please don't forget to like and share this video with someone that might need it. Now let's move to an administrator with 9 years of experience, okay? Oh, they have matric. They work in finance, financial services. Cash salary 31,641. Overtime 549. Tax not tax deductions 12,837. Total guaranteed package 31,641. Net pay is 19,349. Girl, what are you paying for? Okay, retirement is 4.7, and then medical aid is 3.9. Tax is 3,389. Okay, how can tax be 3,000? Tax out of 31,000, guys. You know these things. Anyway, yeah, so I see here net pay is 19,349. Alrighty, now let's move. Admin quality manager. Let's see what you have for us. All right, I was appointed last year as a quality manager. I have been with the company for 12 years. I started as a receptionist, then the rest is history. I have matric, management assistant N5, and recently did internal auditing ISO 9001. I'm currently studying with Menkosa, BCom degree in project management. Total earnings 29,519. Total deductions 6,155. Net pay of 23,363. That's cool. They've been working here for 12 years now. Okay, now let's look at this one. I'm a marketing and communications administrator with 9 years of experience, and I hold a degree. Sorry, I hold a diploma in marketing that I completed in 2020. Okay, you so like you already have a job. Already have a job. Okay, so let's see how much you are getting. Hey, well, guys, I'm confused. Get mind totals 4,458. Guys, I can't read this payslip. I can't. Gross remuneration 4.7, taxable income 4,000. Okay, net pay 4,100. Oh, okay. I suppose that's what it is, guys. They work in retail. Yeah, I see this is a retail shop. Marketing and communications administrator with 9 years experience. They even have a diploma in marketing. Okay, so the diploma is recent, I suppose. Hi guys. I wonder what's going on. I'm confused. I am just confused. Net pay is 4,144. I thought maybe I'm the one who can't read the payslip properly. Okay, now let's go to this records coordinator. Hi Boni, please find attached a records coordinator payslip. I'm at a government entity, 6 years of experience in records management and library services. Okay, basic salary 29,786. Mileage claims 1.4, medical aid subsidy 5.4, total earnings 36,641, total deductions 9,592, and a net pay of 27,000. 27,000 rands. Yeah, I can see here the position is records coordinator. I think this is a good one, guys. I don't know what you think. Yep, that's all I had for you today. Oh, I'm really not feeling well, but thank God I was able to to create this video. Please like and share it. In the next 2 weeks you can expect a BI analyst, people who work in data science, data scientists and stuff, and also high paying jobs without a degree, various jobs without a degree. Okay, otherwise I'll see you on the next one. Bye.